Yes, sir. Don't kill yourself. I'm not liable for your... Come record me. When you fell into that bowl, that was hilarious. No, no. Shoot, that was funny. That was so funny. It's already recording. Yeah. You hit like... Don't go. It like went blurry when you went down.
It what?
It went blurry when you went down.
Did it?
Yeah. You want me to stop it or keep going?
Don't matter.
Oh, well, you got 29 minutes anyways. My hands definitely look bigger. Are your fingers numb?
I don't really know.
I hope not, because mine are numb, and I have gloves on. You're crazy.
This one is. This one's fine. Like, my tips are cold, but...
Oh my
I
god.
must have really insulated hands. Cause
Something.
really, like, I'm so surprised.
I know, me too. I'm just scared. I don't want to hit my face. Let's go over. What's the worst thing that can happen?
Break your face.
Okay. What's the second thing that can happen?
Break your back. Break your arm. Break your face and arm.
Oh god, that's so bad. What about over here? It's just about as steep as the other side.